Do you ever lie in bed, staring at the ceiling, while your mind races a million miles an hour? One moment you're thinking about a work email, the next you're replaying a conversation from 5 years ago. You're not alone. Millions of us struggle with this every single night. Stress, anxiety, and just plain overthinking keep our brains buzzing when all we want is to shut down and get some rest. But what if I told you there are simple, science-backed techniques that could have you fast asleep in under 3 minutes? Stick around, because I'm about to share the secrets that even military soldiers use to fall asleep anywhere, anytime. So, why is falling asleep so hard sometimes? It often boils down to an overactive nervous system. Think of it like your body's fight or flight switch is stuck in the on position. This can be triggered by stress from your day, that late afternoon coffee, or even the blue light from your phone screen. Your body is physically ready for action, not rest. Then there are the psychological factors, the racing thoughts, the worry about not being able to sleep, which, ironically, makes it even harder to sleep. It's a frustrating cycle. Poor sleep hygiene, like an irregular schedule or a bright, warm room, also sends your brain the wrong signals. But don't worry, we can fix all of this. It's not about forcing yourself to sleep, it's about signaling to your body and mind that it's safe to power down. Let's dive into the first and most powerful technique, the military sleep method. This was developed by the U.S. Army to help soldiers fall asleep in under 2 minutes, even in chaotic environments. It's reported to have a 96% success rate after 6 weeks of practice. Ready to try it? First, get into a comfortable position. Close your eyes and start by relaxing your face. Unclench your jaw. Let your tongue fall slack in your mouth. Relax the muscles around your eyes. Imagine your entire face just melting into the pillow. Next, move to your upper body. Let your shoulders drop as low as they can go, releasing all the tension you've been holding there. Let your arms go limp by your sides, one after the other. Feel the weight of your hands, wrists, and fingers. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, let your chest relax completely. Now, focus on your legs. Start with your right thigh. Let it sink down into the mattress. Then do the same with your calf, ankle, and foot. Repeat the process on your left side. Your entire body should now feel heavy and completely relaxed, as if you're sinking gently into your bed. The final step is to clear your mind. This is crucial. For 10 seconds, focus on your breathing, the slow, rhythmic rise and fall of your chest. Then, choose one of 2 images. Picture yourself lying in a canoe on a calm, serene lake with nothing but a clear blue sky above you. Or, imagine you're nestled in a black velvet hammock in a pitch-black room. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to this image. If thoughts pop up, don't fight them. Just calmly say to yourself, don't think, don't think, don't think for 10 seconds and return to your calm scene. Practice this every night, and you'll be amazed at how quickly it becomes second nature. For those nights when your heart is pounding and you just can't seem to calm down, there's a breathing technique that works like a natural tranquilizer for your nervous system. It's called the 4-7-8 method, developed by Dr. Andrew Weil. It's incredibly simple. That's how you do it. Place the tip of your tongue against the ridge of tissue just behind your upper front teeth, and keep it there for the entire exercise. Now, exhale completely through your mouth, making a whoosh sound. Close your mouth and inhale quietly through your nose to a mental count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Then, exhale completely through your mouth, making that whoosh sound again, for a count of 8. That's one cycle. Inhale for 4, hold for 7, exhale for 8. Repeat this cycle 3 more times. The long exhale helps slow your heart rate and signals deep relaxation to your brain. You can do this lying in bed or even during the day if you feel stressed. Another fantastic physical technique is progressive muscle relaxation. Sometimes, we don't even realize how much tension we're holding in our muscles. This method helps you consciously release it. Starting with your toes, tense the muscles as hard as you can for 5 seconds, then release them completely for 30 seconds, noticing the difference. Work your way up your body, tense and release your calves, your thighs, your abdomen, your chest, your arms, and even the muscles in your face. By tensing and then releasing each muscle group, you're essentially hitting a reset button, leaving your body feeling loose, heavy, and ready for deep rest. This physical release often leads to a mental release, quieting those racing thoughts. Now, let's talk about your environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for sleep. 3 things are key: it needs to be cool, dark, and quiet. The ideal temperature for sleep is around 18 to 20 degrees Celsius, or 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. A cooler room helps lower your core body temperature, which is a natural signal for sleep. Darkness is also crucial. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out any light, as even a tiny bit can disrupt your melatonin production. Finally, keep it quiet. If you live in a noisy area, consider using earplugs or a white noise machine. The steady, soothing sound of white noise can mask sudden noises that might otherwise wake you up. And a big one, avoid screens for at least 30 minutes before bed. The blue light messes with your sleep hormones and keeps your brain wired. Perhaps the most important change you can make is a mental one. Stop trying to sleep. The more pressure you put on yourself to fall asleep, the more anxious you become, and the more elusive sleep becomes. It's a paradox. Instead of focusing on, I must fall asleep now, shift your goal to, I am just going to relax. Focus on the feeling of your body relaxing with the military method or the rhythm of your breath with the 4-7-8 technique. Tell yourself that simply resting your body and mind is a win, whether you fall asleep immediately or not. When you take the pressure off, you create the perfect conditions for sleep to happen naturally. It's about letting go, not forcing it. To support all these techniques, let's quickly cover some natural sleep boosters that can build a powerful bedtime routine. First, consistency is king. Try to go to bed and wake up around the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock. Consider sipping on some chamomile tea an hour before bed. It has calming properties that can help you unwind. A magnesium supplement can also be beneficial, as it helps relax muscles and calm the nervous system, but always check with a doctor first. Finally, be mindful of what you consume in the evening. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. and steer clear of heavy, rich meals late at night, as digestion can interfere with your sleep quality. So, let's recap. Falling asleep quickly isn't some magical gift, it's a skill you can train. By combining the military sleep method, the 4-7-8 breathing technique, and optimizing your environment and mindset, you are creating a powerful system for better sleep. Remember, this is a practice. It might not work perfectly the first night, but if you stick with it, you will train your body and mind to unwind on command. Within a few weeks, you could be falling asleep faster than you ever thought possible. And the reward? More than just feeling rested. Quality sleep leads to better focus, more energy, improved mood, and better long-term health. You deserve that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips help you get the restful sleep you need. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more wellness content. Sweet dreams.